everybody, Vanessa Humes from ICND here to talk to you about our search results page. With ICND being in business for over 25 years, we have certainly put together a lot of different features and functionality first to market, and have been building some incredible websites. So today I just want to take a moment to share with you our search results page. So I'm going to share my screen and take a look at this site. So I already put in some dates. I'm going to reselect my dates and click apply. You're going to see up here in the right-hand corner, your dates are popular. 86% of our inventory is booked. Don't miss out. If you see that on anybody else's site, know that it came from us first. We did that back in 2014 with adding urgency features to the site. You'll see that again with the hot button here. This is going to log people's views of these properties, and we have the ability to set a threshold so that only those popular properties are getting that hot button. Additionally, when I go to a property detail page, we can see 9 people have considered this property in the last 24 hours. So this again is going to give people the notion that other people are looking at this property. So if the dates in the calendar are looking pretty full, then they're going to be more inclined to book that property. So we definitely love our urgency features on the site. Another one that we like to have up there is the number of people on the property. So when you do a search and put in your dates and get to the search results page, a lot of times we'll have, hey, there's 52 other people searching on Ward Realty right now. So that would log into your analytics and track how many people are actually on the site right now. Again, set a threshold. If it's only 2, of course, we don't want to put that on there. It's not going to look so busy. But when it's more than that, it definitely helps them know, okay, we better hurry up, figure out which property we're going to look at, and go and book it now. Additionally, if we hop over to another site here, the Vacation Company out of Hilton Head, they've got a great new feature. So again, I'm going to go ahead and put in my dates. I'm going to come up here and see that our dates are popular. Still got 74% of our inventory booked, but we're going to come in here and start adding some amenities and click apply. Well, what happens? We don't have any search results. So we're seeing that we're tracking how many people are coming to the site and getting 0 search results, and then quickly and easily giving these cards down here to go back and search what they're actually looking for and just back it out a little bit. And with that, in less than 30 days, we're seeing hundreds of thousands of dollars in bookings. Of course, we're in July, so that's peak booking season, but still we're helping people not see that it's 0 result, but see that they can get back to some suggested search and alternative searches so that they can continue on the site, keep scrolling through properties, wear them out, and hopefully get that booking. As they're on the site and they're browsing through the site on the search results page, they always have the ability to come in here and select their favorites without the need to log in. And even if I come back the next day, it's cookie based. So it's going to hold those favorites in there and have them for me so that I can just come back here, check out my favorites, check out my recently viewed. So that non-cookie based and recently viewed is all ICND first, suggested search, ICND first. And so when people ask me why use ICND, well, if you ain't first, you're last, in the words of Ricky Bobby. So we like to make sure that we are the ones, the thought leaders, coming up with the ideas and innovating to get people through the booking process. And the search results page is definitely one that does that. Show you a couple more features. Okay, so let's see, I've got my dates in here, and I'm going to do a search over here on Moving Mountains. A couple great features. So I've got alternative dates. This is our flex dates. So if I decide to come in on Friday, I got 54 properties. But if I come in on Saturday, I have 59 properties. Okay, I want to check these out. What else do I see here? I've got all-in pricing, but not only do I have all-in pricing, which is now required in the state of California, by the way, but with this all-in pricing, I have cross-through pricing. So that's great. I can see the discount and see how much I'm saving. In addition to what I'm saving by booking direct, I have an additional discount on this property. So if I get over here on the property detail page, I can see that breakdown, that promo code, get right to the book now, and get here to confirm booking. So that wraps up my time today with you. If you'd like to see more, you can visit our website, icnd.net, hit us up in one of the contact forms, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. We'd love to meet you and show you more of our awesome conversion-focused features. Have a great day.